The following is a special weather statement for the following county: Columbus, North Carolina, and Dillon, South Carolina. A strong thunderstorm will impact Robeson, western Bladen, northwestern Columbus, and central Dillon counties through 3:30 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Roland, or 9 miles northeast of Dillon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Elizabethtown, Pembroke, Fairmont, St. Paul's, Bladenboro, Roland, Boardman, Bladen Community College, Hammer, Ammon, south of the border, Butters, Hestertown, Robeson Community College, White Oak, Elrod, Smiths, Howellsville, and Duarte. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 196 and 198. Interstate 95 in North Carolina between mile markers 1 and 31. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The coastal waters